Good afternoon, inmates. Man, did we fuck up. Fucked up big time. I'm not surprised. It's not the first time I fucked up. I thought I had court today, but apparently it was last Monday. And now there is a warrant for my arrest. And my lawyer quit. Fuck. Sure did fuck up. So now I have a warrant for my arrest and I have no lawyer. My word. My word, my friends. Not even fucking joking. Think they'll come and get me for a bench warrant? Yeah, they will. Yeah, they will. Yes, they will. Okay. I was going to go through this document today. See this thing? This is my workers' comp claim. Their side of the story. And it's been sitting in my piles. For almost a month. Dear Mr. Simpson, claim number blah, blah, blah. You requested reconsideration of the WCB's decision whether you are eligible for benefits after November 24, 2015 has been registered. This letter explains the process in which the WCB provides information about your claim to the employer once a request for reconsideration has been made. When a request for reconsideration is made, the Workers' Compensation Act, we'll call it the Act, allows an employer who wishes to participate in the reconsideration to have access to all documents in the WCB's possession which the WC considers relevant to the issue under reconsideration. The document can also be used by the employer for the purpose of reconsideration. Use of the information for any other purpose is contrary to the Act and subject to fine up to $50,000. Southwind Construction Limited has indicated they wish to participate in the reconsideration and has requested a copy of all relevant documents. The Act allows the worker an appropriate to release the information only on the grounds that it is not relevant to the given issues under reconsideration. The WCB considers the following claim documents placed on the file on or after October 18th and enclosed in this letter to be all correspondence, all medical information, all payment information. The following information placed a claim for October 26th, October 18th, was previously released to the employer. Once you have reviewed the information, you may request any information considered not relevant to the issue under the So I could request things be withheld from the employer. That's interesting. Request must be in writing. Should identify the information, blah, 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 blah. Fuck, there's more. If you don't have an objection to the release of the information, you can authorize it immediate release by completing the enclosed application form. This may be faxed directly to my attention at or returned to the office in enclosed postage envelope. WC will release this information to your employer unless we reveal before January 30th. Oh, okay. So I fucked that up. They sent this on the 16th, and I had till January 30th. Wow, I fucked that up too. That's two things I fucked up today. I need a hoot. Information to your employer unless we receive an objection or before January. If you require assistance and do not have the ability to do through a union or other organizations, the worker advisory is available to assist you. The service is free of charge. They can be contacted at this phone number, by this email, or by going directly to the office at York Street. Have any further questions, please contact me. Oh well. So, my employer that I hurt myself at work has a copy of this right here. Big fucking deal. I already won my appeal that it happened at work and my employer wasn't responsible for it. Now I have to win the appeal that workers' comp has to pay for it. Shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, I'm definitely in trouble, my friends. I might not leave the house ever again. Maybe it'll burn down with me in it one day. I'm like fighting a battle on three fronts here. Right? You got run over by a forklift, my friend? Yeah. I believe it, man. There's people with that drive up on their front lawn downtown with shotguns because they are as corrupt as the rest. But I'll never know until I try. I actually even have a lawyer to fight these bastards. A good lawyer, too. I should have said no to the company receiving any of these. All these people right here, I'm sure, make a little percentage every time they deny somebody for benefits. Yeah, I went straight to the ER too, and then I went to Pan Am Clinic, and I still got denied. My shoulder's been fucked since. I've been on a waiting list for surgery. So they really don't have much of a case, but they will fight you to the bitter end. They have unlimited resources, my friends. I have a table and 2 art degrees. And they have lawyers and fucking unlimited resources. It's definitely not fair. Definitely not fair. I wouldn't go that route if I didn't have to. In the States, I would have called Better Call Sal, and we would have sued their fucking ass a long time ago, and they would have settled out of court. And the house would be paid off. But we gotta go the fucking peasant route. That's okay. Not the first time. I never met a rich artist before anyway. We always poor. We always poor. Well, hopefully I'll get a new lawyer. And my workers' appeal will go through. One could only hope. It's not for me. It's for generations. It's for the kids, man. everybody has a better day. Lawyers are just as shiesty, man. They're all part of the system. They are all a part of the system. Lawyers, police, judges, all the same, man. Man, they don't get paid to fix problems, man. If they fix problems, what would they do for a job? Politicians included. What would they do for a job? If they fixed fucking problems, there wouldn't be anybody at the Workers' Compensation Board of Manitoba's office. But no, man, it's a cycle of shit, and we're in it. You either gotta play the game or fucking get the fuck out of the way. And I tried to get out of the way, and that didn't work. So I guess we gotta play the game. Man, I'll let you guys know when I'm out of jail. I'll do a live stream from the public safety building when they give me my phone back. I'm gonna have another hoot. This is ridiculous. Some criminal I am, fuck. I went to college, I had a family, I paid my taxes every fucking year. I never hurt anybody, I never did anything wrong. And the government's trying to put me in jail for $250,000. You know I don't have no $250,000. It's a dream. You can't take what's not there. And all they want to do is spend more money. Warrants, prison. I fought to see my kids for 10 years straight. 5 years of that in court, in and out of jail. Every time she didn't get what she wanted, she called the cops, and I was in jail. And in Manitoba, there's a family court system and a criminal court system. And it's really easy for a shiesty fucking lawyer to play both systems and get no better outcome. She didn't get any money. I haven't seen the kids in 10 years. Nobody wins. And now the government is suing me for $250,000, so I take it back to court. So corrupt. They denied me benefits for a decade because of fake court orders and bullshit from the ex-wife. Like, this hamster wheel is never gonna end. I hope everybody learns a serious lesson here. Never go to court.